Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of cloves. In the tapestry of flavors that grace our kitchens, there's one spice that not only adds a burst of taste, but also unfolds a myriad of health wonders. Today, we delve into the captivating story of cloves and their transformative impact on well-being. From ancient spice roots to modern pantries, cloves have traversed time, leaving their indelible mark on diverse cuisines and holistic health practices. These unassuming buds, with their aromatic charm, hold within them a treasure trove of nutrients and compounds that can do wonders for your health. What makes cloves so special? Join us as we explore the science behind these tiny wonders and uncover the myriad ways in which they contribute to a healthier, happier life. Let's begin. First and foremost, cloves, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum, possess notable anti-inflammatory effects attributed to their high content of a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a powerful phenolic compound that contributes significantly to the spice's distinct aroma and taste. Beyond its sensory attributes, eugenol has been extensively studied for its potential health benefits, particularly in addressing inflammatory processes in the body. Inflammation is a natural immune response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including chronic diseases like cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. Cloves have demonstrated the ability to modulate inflammatory pathways, helping to mitigate excessive or prolonged inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves extend beyond internal applications. Clove oil, derived from cloves, has been traditionally used topically to address inflammation-related conditions, such as arthritis or muscle soreness. The application of clove oil may offer localized relief by reducing swelling and discomfort. What's more, cloves have a long history of use in promoting oral health, and their benefits extend beyond merely adding flavor to dishes. Eugenol, found abundantly in cloves, exhibits strong antibacterial properties. This makes cloves effective in combating the growth of harmful bacteria in the oral cavity, which can contribute to issues such as cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. The analgesic properties of cloves can provide relief from toothaches and gum pain. Chewing on a whole clove or applying clove oil topically to the affected area can help alleviate discomfort. The antibacterial nature of cloves may contribute to the prevention of cavities by inhibiting the growth of bacteria that contribute to tooth decay. This, coupled with good oral hygiene practices, can support overall dental health. Cloves' ability to combat bacteria and their aromatic properties can contribute to fresher breath. Incorporating cloves or clove oil into oral care routines may help address the root causes of bad breath. Cloves have been used in various traditional dental remedies around the world. In some cultures, a mixture of cloves and other natural ingredients is applied to the teeth and gums for its potential oral health benefits. Additionally, cloves are known to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down food in the digestive tract, facilitating nutrient absorption, and promoting overall digestive efficiency. They have carminative properties, which means they can help alleviate indigestion and bloating. Chewing on whole cloves, or consuming clove-infused tea, may provide relief from discomfort associated with indigestion. Cloves can help reduce the formation of gas in the digestive system. Gas is often a result of incomplete digestion or fermentation of food in the gut. Cloves' carminative effects may help prevent excessive gas accumulation. They are also known for their ability to alleviate nausea. Whether it's due to motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or general nausea, the aroma of cloves or consumption of clove-infused products may help settle the stomach. But wait, there is more. Cloves, particularly in the form of clove oil, have been traditionally used for their analgesic properties, which means they can help relieve pain. Clove oil is commonly used for toothache relief. Eugenol acts as a natural anesthetic and analgesic, helping to numb the affected area and alleviate the pain associated with toothaches. Applying a small amount of diluted clove oil to the affected tooth or gums may provide temporary relief. Clove oil can be applied topically to provide relief from various types of pain, including joint pain and muscle soreness. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of eugenol contribute to its effectiveness in reducing pain and inflammation when applied to the skin. Some individuals use clove oil or clove-based ointments to alleviate pain associated with arthritis and joint inflammation. The warming and soothing effects of clove oil may provide relief when massaged onto the affected joints. The aromatic properties of cloves, combined with their potential to reduce inflammation, make them a natural remedy for headache relief. Inhaling the scent of crushed cloves or applying diluted clove oil to the temples may help alleviate tension headaches. Cloves may offer relief from menstrual cramps and associated pain. Consuming clove tea or using clove oil in aromatherapy may help relax muscles and reduce discomfort during menstruation. Whether it's a minor injury, strain, or general aches and pains, the analgesic effects of cloves may provide relief. Applying a clove oil solution or using clove-based creams may help ease discomfort. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Eugenol, a major component of clove oil, is known for its strong antibacterial properties. It is effective against a variety of bacteria, including both gram-positive and gram-negative strains. Cloves have been studied for their ability to inhibit the growth of bacteria. Eugenol interferes with bacterial cell membranes and disrupts essential processes, preventing bacteria from thriving and multiplying. Historically, cloves were used as a natural preservative for food due to their antibacterial properties. The inclusion of cloves in food preparation not only added flavor, but also helped inhibit the growth of spoilage-causing bacteria. Clove oil's antibacterial properties make it a natural choice for cleaning purposes. It can be used as an ingredient in homemade cleaning solutions to disinfect surfaces and maintain a bacteria-free environment. Did you know cloves may offer certain benefits for liver health? Cloves are rich in antioxidants, including compounds like eugenol and flavonoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which, if left unchecked, can contribute to oxidative stress and damage liver cells. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by processing and eliminating toxins. Some studies suggest that cloves may support liver detoxification processes, helping the organ function optimally. Oxidative stress in the liver can be caused by various factors, including environmental toxins and poor dietary choices. Cloves' antioxidants may help reduce oxidative stress, potentially protecting the liver from damage. Cloves may contribute to improved blood circulation, which indirectly benefits the liver. Efficient blood flow ensures that the liver receives an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients necessary for its proper function. In traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda, cloves have been used for liver health. They are often incorporated into herbal formulations aimed at supporting liver function. Lastly, cloves have been traditionally used to promote respiratory health, and certain properties of cloves may contribute to their potential benefits in this regard. The aromatic compounds in cloves, especially eugenol, can have a soothing effect on the respiratory tract. Cloves are often used in traditional remedies for cough relief, either by consuming them directly or inhaling their aroma. Cloves have expectorant properties that may help promote the loosening and expulsion of mucus from the respiratory passages. This can be beneficial for individuals dealing with conditions such as bronchitis or respiratory congestion. Inhaling the scent of cloves through aromatherapy or by adding cloves to hot water for steam inhalation may offer respiratory benefits. The aromatic compounds can have a soothing effect and may help clear nasal passages. Cloves exhibit antimicrobial properties, which means they may help combat bacteria and other microorganisms in the respiratory system. This can be particularly relevant in addressing infections that affect the respiratory tract. And there you have it, folks. A journey through the remarkable world of cloves, where flavor meets function and tradition intertwines with modern wellness. Whether it's infusing a dish with warmth, providing relief from a persistent cough, or contributing to the overall well-being of your body, cloves have proven to be more than just a spice. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.